Hello friends, welcome to another how-to video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth connection problem in your Vivo Y53s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also tap the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you're facing Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth not connecting problem in your Vivo Y53s, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and just watch complete video, follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. This will fix your problem.